Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, we are planning for the week of December 2nd through the 8th in my vertical layout of the Classic Happy Planner. So let's just go on ahead and dive right in. The book that I will be using will be The Christmas Joy and The Winter. I think that's pretty much the main two sticker books that I will be channeling some inspiration from. I feel like this book has a little bit of those hints of teals, so it'll probably be mostly out of this book. So let's just go on ahead and dive right in and see if I can find a big sticker somewhere. Do I want to use this one? I feel like this one has washi in here too that I can pull from. So I'll definitely be using some washi. I'm liking this one. Kind of ties in that teal aspect. How are you guys' months beginning? How was your holiday? I feel like once like Thanksgiving passes, the rest of this year is pretty much gone. So I hope that you all really got a chance to spend some quality time with your families and like eat good and, you know, just really cut loose and forget about the rest for a little while. So I'm liking how this is looking already. I'm feeling good. I like this noted sticker, so I'm gonna pull it out, but I'm not really sure where I wanna place it yet, but I just wanna get it while I have my eyes on it because it's gonna make my life feel a little more organized. Maybe just a little bit. I like this sticker that says, "Bring on the week, sis. Bring it on, bring it on." I feel like I am trying to end my year how I want my year to start. So I'm trying to be super duper productive. I'm trying to be inspired. I want to just keep the ball rolling. I'm liking that. And instead of that noted, I think I'm gonna pull like this mint teal color that says "Good Times." I don't know what's happening. Do I have anything happening that day? I really don't, but we're gonna use that anyways. I think it's still cute. So let's get some decorative stuff. So like, I'm super excited for everything that is coming up as far as the holidays. I'm gonna use this guy to cover up that design down there. Probably scooch that over. I can actually line this up with this box. So I've been like trying to think of some ways that I can kind of like spark some interest on my channel, and I thought about creating a separate channel actually for my planner related stuff. I don't know yet. If you're one of my loyal viewers and have been around on my channel for a while, tell me if you guys like seeing this kind of content, because if so, then I'll just keep it all on the same channel and all of that. But I don't want to, you know, mess up anything either. So since we have that, maybe I can use, yeah, maybe I'll stick this sticker here. But yeah, I was just kind of wondering like how people who have been around on my channel already, if they've been enjoying seeing this different type of content or not. Like, I'm still trying to do a good mix. However, with these planner videos, I just find it so much easier to film well, before I was saying that it was harder. But now that I've got a hold of it, I just like the idea that I don't have to get dolled up. I don't have to like have a whole production to like, you know, get videos out to you guys, and I can still chat it up. I can still like, you know, feel like I'm doing something. So yeah, like that. I feel like I want to get a 2-box sticker out here. So let me see what I can find. But yeah, that's just something that I wanted to throw out there. Like I said, I don't want to chase away any of my loyal viewers that have been around for a while, thinking that, is this all she's gonna be posting or what? And like, I know I've been posting a lot more planner videos than beauty related stuff, but it's just what has my interest right now. And I feel like, if I'm being honest, like I really like these planner videos, and I like the community that I feel out of it. Like everybody in the planner community is like just so sweet, so nice, and they've just like, you know, welcome everybody with open arms. And it's so crazy that I did not know that this community existed. I've been planning now for, you know, 4+ years, and I just never knew that there were YouTube videos out there until earlier this year. And I was like, word? Like that it was late last year when I posted my very first planner video. That was when I kind of discovered that there was like a whole community of planner girls that, you know, do this. So I think I want to cover up this note. Love this. I think that's still pretty cute. Let's use this guy here, maybe. Yeah. Let's get cozy. I like this winter vibes sticker. I think I'm gonna stick this guy down here. Idea of putting this big box down on Saturday and Sunday. Down here, oh no. So yeah, put this guy here. Yeah, I like that better. Maybe I'll stick winter vibes here and layer it with something else. Just seen a sticker that I was feeling a little bit. That. All right, so now let's get some more like decorative stuff up in here. With these little skates are cute to put there. I feel like I can do something related to, you know, getting prepared for the holidays and stuff. I think I wanna create like a little landscape down here in the corner using these snowmen, some of these trees just to kind of cover up the rest of this. They're so cute. Do it like that. That's cute. Like how that worked out. So now, like I told you guys before, Mondays are always pretty crazy for me, so I definitely want to make sure that I have some spaces here to write down anything that I need to take care of. So I'll put a couple of little hearts here. I think it's cute. And I'll probably go back and straighten these out a little bit. Furnace just kicked on, sorry guys. So I am pretty much done with this spread. So let's go on ahead and pop this baby back into the book, into my planner. I said a book. Oh, it's a planner. It's a planner, honey. All right, so that is all that I will be doing. I like to leave plenty of space because, as I mentioned to you guys before, I am a daily list task master, so I need to make sure that I leave plenty of blank space. That way I can write down anything that I need to get done, so on and so forth. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me create this spread for you guys. I think it's super cute, very functional. I absolutely love it. So I hope that you guys love it as well. So until the next one, peace out.